In this video, we are going to see how we can deny the Facebook access to photos. So if you do not want the Facebook to have access to your camera roll, here's how you can disable this. First of all, just click on the top left-hand corner where you see these three lines. Click on that. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the settings and privacy option. Under that, you see settings. Click on this and scroll all the way down to the section of your activity. And underneath this section, you have this device permission option. Click on that and it says camera in the second option. Click on see info and you will click on update the settings because right now it is not set to not allowed. It is allowed while using the Facebook app. So we want to completely disable that. Click on the see info, click on update settings, click on open device settings, and it basically takes you to the Android application permission manager. From here, we click on the permissions. We click on the camera because it is set to allowed in the allowed section, and we set it to don't allow. After that, when we go back, if we scroll down now, you will see this in the not allowed section. Here's the camera. So that is perfect. Go back. And when you see the camera access now in the Facebook application, it is set to never. And that is basically it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.